Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how to make delicious, fresh noodles at home without any animal products? It's much simpler than you might think. Crafting your own vegan noodles gives you complete control over the ingredients, making them super fresh and perfectly suited to your taste. Plus, there's a real satisfaction in creating something so comforting from scratch. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a wholesome meal. Getting started with vegan noodles requires just a handful of everyday items you likely already have. You'll need all-purpose flour, along with some water, and perhaps a small pinch of salt to bring out the best flavor. For tools, a spacious mixing bowl is key for combining everything, and a rolling pin will help you achieve that perfect thinness. It's surprisingly simple to gather what you need. Start by slowly adding water to your flour, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy at first. Then, the real magic happens. You'll need this dough for about 10 minutes, transforming it into a smooth, elastic ball. This step is crucial, as it develops the gluten, ensuring your homemade noodles have that delightful, chewy texture we all love. Once your dough is perfectly kneaded, it's time to roll it out. Lightly flour your counter and begin rolling, striving for a very thin sheet, maybe 1/16 of an inch thick. You want it almost translucent. Then, carefully fold your dough a few times and use a sharp knife to slice it into beautiful, consistent noodles of your preferred width. It's truly satisfying to see them take shape. Now for the best part, cooking and eating your amazing homemade noodles. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then gently drop in your fresh noodles. They cook incredibly fast, usually in just a few minutes, so watch for them to float to the surface. Drain them, and then serve immediately with your favorite vegan sauce, fresh veggies, or a flavorful broth. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.